Let's go ahead and take a look at the logic required to build our dollar value LIFO inventory worksheet in Excel. The first step, of course, is to convert our end-of-year inventory prices, which are in current values, into base year prices by dividing by the price index. Once we've converted our inventory to base year prices, let's go ahead and build out our layers. In 2011, end-of-year inventory and base year prices is $233,000. We have available $200,000 from 2010. Notice we don't have the full 233, we only have 200,000 available. We've taken the smaller of these two numbers, which of course then leaves us with the difference, or 33,000 to add in 2011. Let's move on down to 2012. In 2012, in base year prices, we have 208,000 in inventory available. We have a layer from 2010 of $200,000. What do? Once again, we take the smaller or the minimum of these two values. Of course, that leaves us then for 2011. How much inventory left? We've got 208,000 minus 200,000. We've got 8,333. We had available 33,000. Notice, once again, we took the lesser of what was required or what was available. And of course, now what's left for 2012, if we subtract off everything we've already done from our requirement, we have nothing that is left. Let's move on down to 2013. In terms of base year prices, we've got $270,000 in inventory available. Let's compare. What do we have left from 2010? We've got 200. So what do we take? Do we take the 270 or do we take the 200? We take the lesser of the two. For 2011, what do we have left that we need? 70 minus the 200. We've got 70,000 that we need, but we only have 8,333 available. Again, we take the lesser of the two, which is the 8,033. In 2012, how much inventory do we still need? We need the 270 minus the 200 minus the 833. We need $61,000 in inventory. How much is available? 0. We take the lesser of the two, which finally leaves us in 2013. How much do we need? We need the 270 minus any layers that we have already taken. So notice we're always making comparison and selecting the lesser of the amount of inventory that's available compared to how much we need.